How to share my location on your iPhone. For example, I want to share this phone to this phone my location. For that, open your setting and scroll down, then you can see the privacy and security option. You have to press on privacy and security, and once you press on here, then you can see location services. So you have to enable location services first. If it's disable, just enable this option, then go to share my location, then you have to enable your share my location as well. So once to done, then go to your contact number. For example, this contact number and share my location. Go to message, you can send it with WhatsApp or a message option, then press on plus icon, then here you can see the location service. Now pin to your current location, this is my current location, then send pin. Now if you press on send, then your location will be shared to your this person. Another way, open your Google map, then here you can see your current location, then press your location area, then you can see the shared location. So you have to press on share location. In this case, let's press on share location, then here you can see the email address, and now select how many time for 1 hour or 2 hour or anything, and then you can see the more option. Press on more option. Now select your WhatsApp number or messenger number, I think. For example, I'm selecting my WhatsApp number, and if you press on share, then other person gets your location easily. Here you can see my location is being shared with my other device. If he or she click the location, then easily track my location as well. So you have to install Google Map. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.